I just want to show you all this garden project I'm doing. I wish I would have captured the demolition. Oh my gosh, it was such a chore. I'm not gonna lie, there were towers involved. There were other ligustrum hedges in a diamond pattern as well in the center that all needed to be removed before we could get going on the design. I took some inspiration from an upcoming event and also some of the plant material from the last installation, and it's going to be ocean themed waves and crashing shoreline kind of feel. A lot of plant materials coming in today. A lot of these fescues aren't even planted. They're just little plugs that were taken out of the towers and placed up here, and then I watered it all because I was afraid it might perish if I did not. Anyways, it's a lot more work to be done, but here we are now with it. And I like the progress. It took us 2 days to take down all the stuff, get it out with a load of hands and help. Thankfully, put a couple OT hours in as well. But here we are. I'll keep you posted on how it comes out. Check it out. Been spotting, got our plant order in. Got quite a few here and in the back as well. Starting to come together. Got Achillea, blue fescue, evolvulus, laticidum. Got Dianella in here. What else? That's what I see for right now. Sea thrift, Dudleya in the containers. Just spotting them for now. I'm gonna plant them next week. Got the irrigation on, so at least they'll get a little drink while I am on vacation for Memorial Day. Feel pretty good about where this is going. And I'll be able to rest a little easier now that I have the bones of this thing in for the most part. Not everything is where I want it, but probably like 95% of it. I like the movement. And as the grasses come out of their little shock, then they'll start to have some more movement as well with the breeze that comes through. Stay tuned. Not quite all planted, but we are in the home stretch. I am liking how it's coming out so far. Got one last plant order coming in today and putting on the final touches. These are all going in still. I just keep on adding stuff like the guara. Let's give it some pink and some upright, different texture right there along the manzanita piece of wood right there. All these plants are going to go along the perimeter. The alyssum is going to go along this side because there's more shade. It'll be tricky because it's kind of dry right here. More alyssum along this. Good morning from the other end, from the future. It all got planted with many hands and many minds that helped me make the design possible and get it in as quickly as possible. Everything's starting to grow really nicely, perk up. Better to shoot this garden when it's cloudy, but today is a sunny, lovely spring day over here. I'm really happy with how it came out. A lot of people had given me compliments about it, which is just the icing on the cake. I'm going to give a small talk about it on Thursday of this week. Just tell everybody what my thought process was behind it. Anybody that'll listen anyways. Still planting some alyssum along the way. That's basically the last little push. And then it's off to pruning these ligustrum hedges. But, you know, little by little. I got plenty of projects in between now and that for this week. But I just want to show you the progress of this garden. On a side note, check out these roses. I'm not even that much of a rose head, but these are beautiful. At a previous job, I used to go work with the rosarians, and apparently some of it stuck. Sorry for the sound of traffic and the AC, but it is what it is. Here's one other one. This one smells like, I want to say like a peach and bubblegum mixed together. Sniff it. Yum. Oh my gosh, it's glorious. And it still doesn't smell. So many people have put their nose in these roses, you'd think all the smell would be gone, but no. Look at that. No, it's glorious. Have a great day.